Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. Today's quick video, we're focused on how to make a landing page. And before I show you exactly how to make that landing page, let's get on the same page and let's both understand what we're talking about and why we need this landing page. So over at unbounce.com, they have this perfect graphic that shows the landing page right here in the center of this funnel. So you can see the top of the funnel, and in the middle of the funnel is a landing page. And then, of course, the conversion or the campaign goal is going to be, for example, if you're using this landing page in an affiliate marketing promotion, is going to be the affiliate product that you're trying to sell. So in this case, you can see Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Google, and email is at the top of the funnel. Those are traffic sources. Those are where the people are that you're looking for that have a problem, and you have the solution for it. And your landing page is going to be where you take those people, you give them a little bit of information, and then you collect their details, such as their email address, so you can follow up with them. And then you lead them into the conversion part of this funnel, which is your campaign goal. That's your objective, with a solid call to action to get them to take action to get to that next step, which is purchasing your affiliate product. So we're focused here today on this landing page in the middle. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can build these landing pages, and even better, how you can do it for free. So to get started building your landing page, to get the software to build the actual page, there's a link in the description, and in there you can get your free GrooveFunnels account that's going to let you build up to 3 free sites, an unlimited number of pages inside of those sites. Again, that link is in the description, and once you log into your GrooveFunnels account, you're going to pop over to what they call GroovePages, and GroovePages is the site builder where you're going to be able to build these landing pages, and again, 100% for free. So when you get inside your GroovePages, you're going to see exactly where to start building these pages. Now here's the issue, and I did it this way because I want to make sure you understand. You can create 0 more sites. To unlock unlimited sites and funnels, click the button below to upgrade to Pro today, and there's a big green button to upgrade to Pro. Now that currently gets you into a lifetime offer for GroovePages and GrooveFunnels and all the products inside of GrooveFunnels. So you can take a look at that. If that offer is still on the table, definitely check that out, because there are going to be limitations inside of the free account as far as the things you can do and can't do when you hit a hard limit of creating subdomains. And of course, I've covered that in detail here on the channel. I'll put a link in the description to some videos you can watch that cover that in detail as well. But now we're just going to go ahead and we're going to be working in this new site right here. We're going to go ahead and open up the editor. And once you get inside there, you're going to have a full functioning page builder. And you can see right here, I have a page that I've been working on, but in this case, we want to start from scratch with a brand new page. So we'll go ahead to here to pages, and we'll create a new page by clicking that plus button. And you can see here we have a blank canvas, and we also have some templates that we can use. For example, this one right here makes a great landing page, so we can go ahead and select that one. Then you can see here we have a great template to work from, with super cool headline right here and some paragraph, and then of course even an email form and a nice way to put a picture here. Of course, this could be a picture of yourself or just any picture that relates to the affiliate product, as most of you are going to be using this for affiliate marketing promotions. Of course, if you have your own product, then you're going to want that to be a picture of yourself. Just drive home and reinforce that like, know, and trust here on your landing page. Now let me step back for a second and let's go back to that unbounce page and take a look at this. We're driving traffic from Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Google, or email, and we're hitting this landing page, and then we have a conversion, which is our campaign goal to get people over to that affiliate product, or again to our own product. But what does this look like in real life? And how can we find some great examples to model our affiliate page after? Since we've already got our free tool to build our affiliate page, we understand that we're driving traffic from the top of the funnel down to the landing page in the middle of the funnel, and then we're moving that on to the conversion part of this funnel, as we see here on Unbounce. But where can we see this really working and understand exactly what we can use to model to make this as successful as possible? Well, to do that, let's just hop over to Google. And as you can see here on Google, I just simply Googled how to make money online, and you're going to see 1, 2, 3, 4 ads for how to make money online. We're going to go right here with how to start a home business, and we're just going to open this because on the other side of this ad is going to be a landing page. This is the whole point of the landing page. As you saw in that funnel diagram, Google is the traffic source. They're running ads. They're paying for the privilege to get this on Google when somebody searches for how to make money online. So you can have a pretty good feeling about taking a look at this page and thinking it's a good one to model. Now you don't know 100%, and of course we're not going to copy this, we're just going to get inspiration from it. So how to start a home business, we're going to take a look at this ad, at this landing page that this ad is leading to. And here it is, work with John Green, with some pop-ups in my way as I'm trying to talk on the video. You can see right here, work with John Green, home-based business solution. This is more of an advertorial type thing, but there is a link directly right here. So you can see right into the content, there is a link. Don't forget to grab your free ebook, 3 Ways to Earn $10 per hour now. Click here if you've already dismissed the pop-up. So the pop-ups were telling me all about that. Of course, I just clicked off of them because I'm making a video and typically I don't pay attention to pop-ups anyway, but that's the marketer in me and I'm not the target market for this. But if you are targeting these keywords, this is most likely something that you want to model. So again, right here, you can see that there are some images here, there's some headlines, there's some great information here. And this is coming off, like I said, as an advertorial. This is more of a full page that leads you through the content, and then towards the end of the content or in the middle of the content, as you saw right there, there's going to be a CTA or a call to action. And the goal here, the conversion goal that we saw in that funnel diagram, is to get people to click on this and take people over to get their free ebook, and of course provide their email address, their name, their country, the information, and download that ebook, which is the conversion goal. But we're focused on the first part of this, which is this landing page. So let's say, for example, that we like the way this looks, we have a good feeling about this, and we're going to model this landing page, and we're going to do it inside of GroovePages. So what do? We can simply just say, we like this headline, we like this paragraph, we like this call to action, how to make more money using network marketing techniques, we like this headline. So we can just grab this headline. Again, don't just copy and paste headlines, but take this headline for inspiration. And of course, I want to show you the functionality of GroovePages inside of your free GrooveFunnels account. Just so it's just this simple, you click here, you'll see a little text option come up here. You can just highlight all that, and you can literally just paste that in there. Now you have your own headline, and of course, how to make more money using the 3 best marketing techniques, something like that. And you simply will just go, okay, now I have my headline, I have my paragraph right here. That paragraph is simply going to be edited just like I did there a second ago. Just highlight that. And here I'm going to add my own text. And as you can see, you just make that compelling, just like your example over there that you saw inside your Google ads. For example, if we were to click on this one, generate an income online, click on that one, you're going to see right here, this is more of a traditional type landing page with a little bit of a squeeze at the top. Start to generate income online today. There's a lot of places promising a way to generate online income, but most do not work. We have real access, real opportunities. Copy that as an example. Again, don't just copy it word for word and put it on your own landing page. Make it about your product. Make it in your voice. Make it appealing to your audience. But you can see how easy it is to just paste that in there. Then, of course, all we do at this point is go ahead, close that. We go here and we simply host this for free at groovepages.com, or we can publish it on our own domain. And we'll go ahead and we just publish that. We'll go ahead and we'll take a look and see if it went live here on our free GroovePages domain.com. Then you can see that your new landing page is published right there just that quickly, just that simply, just that easily. How to make more money using the 3 best marketing techniques, a little paragraph there, and of course email, send it to me. It's simple. It's the easiest way, in my opinion, to start using landing pages online today. Of course, like I said, there's a link in the description to get your free funnel and page builder. Get your free account to GrooveFunnels and GroovePages. Start practicing with this, start building with this, start doing your research. Take a look and understand again this funnel. At the top of the funnel, you have traffic, which leads them into this landing page that you're going to build for free. And you're going to drive them down to that conversion, which is that campaign goal, with a good, solid call to action. And you're going to get inspiration from ads that are already running over on Google. In this example, how to make money online, we took a look at how to start a home business and generate an income online. Then we saw an example landing page there that we got some inspiration from. We found another one right here that looks more like the one we created, with a headline, a nice little paragraph, a question with a good call to action. You ready to get started? Enter your best email below to generate an income stream online starting today. Start here. Look familiar? Sound familiar? Of course it does, because that's exactly what we just created inside of GroovePages, and this is how we just made your landing page to get you up and running right now. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. 30-minute timer here on the end screen. Click that timer. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, just like the videos you see here on the end screen. Click those, keep learning, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.